The W3C Digital Credentials API, or DC API, lets a verifier request verifiable credentials directly through the browser, which then invokes the wallet on the Android device. It needs a browser that supports the Digital Credentials API, such as Chrome. Step 1. Get your API key from support at iGrant.io, enter it, and click Set API Key. Step 2. Create the presentation definition, which sets the credentials you require. On Android, it uses OpenID4VP with IETF, SD-JWT, or ISO18013-7 with mdoc in assigned DC API response mode. Run the code block to create it. Step 3. Create the verification request. The presentation definition ID from Step 2 is pre-filled, so check it and run. Request credential then activates, and clicking it invokes the wallet. Step 4. Send and receive on the Android device. The browser shows a QR code. Scan it with Google Lens, review what is shared in the wallet, and agree to continue. The credential is then shared. Step 5. The verifier receives and verifies the credentials. The status confirms success, and the response panel shows the verifiable presentation received.